Bienvenue à la saison 4 de Rum Aficionados. Bienvenue tout le monde à un autre épisode de Rum Aficionados. On est aux Bahamas, il pleut, mais c'est pas grave. On est en train de visiter le Rum Cake Factory. À ce qui paraît, ils ont les meilleurs gâteaux sur l'île. On va savoir si c'est vrai. Let's go. So yeah, picture. On est aux Bahamas. Je vais parler en français, en anglais et en créole pour cet épisode. Parce que honnêtement, c'est tellement riche culturellement que je vais en profiter, ok? So right now, we're at the Rum Cake Factory. Am I right?
Yes.
Right.
And we have these beautiful, there's no guys here. Oh, they ran away. So, Rum Cake Factory, a lot of beautiful women are working here. I feel like I'm at home, ladies.
Right.
Yes, I feel like I'm at home. There's a lot of love here. I can smell it. I can smell it. So, would you like to introduce yourselves? We'll start with you.
Simone.
Simone.
Yolette.
Yolette.
Betsy.
Betsy.
Hi, I'm Ty.
Ty.
I'm Willis.
So all of these ladies, they work in the back. You don't see them a lot, but we're not allowed to go in the back, so that we brought them out. So we're gonna have fun today with this episode because we're gonna talk about something that we all love. It's in the Caribbean culture, rum cakes. So ladies, what's the story behind this factory right now?
She's low.
She's been here longest.
So explain to us the story. What's been going on here?
How you
Nous
sound?
ouvri depuis en 2000. Business là a 25 ans.
For real?
Oui, depuis nous a poussé cake yo là. Bon, c'est nous avons 16 qualités cake.
Yeah.
Oui, tout beau.
And no, she just said that it's since 2000, 25 years been open. So I was wondering, why rum cakes? Why is it so popular here? Why? Anyone?
I mean, rum cakes in the island itself is popular. It's the one we're popular because it's the only authentic one here. There's other rum cakes here as well,
Indeed.
but we're the only one that's authentic on the island.
Right.
So it's Bahamian made.
Ah, that's the only real difference?
Yeah.
With Bahamian rum. Other
With
people
Bahamian
use
rum?
different rums. We use the actual rum that's made on the island.
What are the rums? That was the
It's
question.
one rum.
One rum?
Dark Ricardo.
Ah, that's why. Okay.
It's one rum, different flavors.
Okay. So the flavors, you add them, you change them up, but it's the same rum in all of them.
Yes.
Got you. Why this rum?
It's a secret.
So the secret is in the rum, but the secret is in the recipe,
Right.
right?
Yes.
Because she didn't want to.
Recipe.
She didn't want to tell me the recipe. She's like, you can't go in the back because you won't see the recipe.
No, you can take like a video in the back.
She's the baker. That's the baker.
So actually, that's a nice question. You just reminded me. What are the different roles here? Because people bake, people package. How does it work?
It's a teamwork thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
So even if she's an official mixer and person who does the measurements of everything, she could crack the eggs. I could crack the eggs. We do everything by hand. We don't have egg cracking machines or the only thing that's not handmade.
It's the mixer.
It's the mixer.
So basically.
I'm the baker.
Right, and the baker.
So you're telling me like this is like cooking a cake at home,
Yep.
Right.
but with a whole team.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Wow. One man. She's cute. She's looking at me like, huh? Man, insane right now. So okay, and then who had the idea? Is it originated from here or someone started it and then it grew?
Well,
Smell her looking at me.
go ahead.
No.
Go ahead.
But it's in a family business. That's what I mean.
We work together, so we become one.
Okay, got you. And what have been the biggest challenges of the Rum Cake Factory?
Go ahead some more.
The biggest challenge?
Yeah, the biggest challenges.
When it's really, really busy. It's overwhelming. It's a lot of work.
Yes.
There's no guarantee that there'll be an easy day. Because even when we think it's a slow day, it could become very busy, very hectic, very quickly. But it's a process to learn and pick up with, and you have to get with the flow. You can't just come and jump in it and say, oh, I got this now.
Got you. Another question. How many cakes are we baking here?
Oh, some days we do 3,000.
You said what?
3,000 to 4,000.
Three with the number three with 3 zeros in the back?
Yes.
So during like Christmas time, Christmas is normally our busy season, so we do more than 3,000 around Christmas.
So it's about 7,000 cakes.
7,000 cakes during Christmas time because
about that, and that's out of the 14, that's about 12 different flavors. Sometimes 2 of the same flavors because we run out so quickly.
wow.
Because bear in mind, we do have to fill the shop, keep the shop filled, and then we have orders for different stores because we outsource the cakes to other small stores that sell it as well. So wholesale orders, and you have inside the shop that has to be filled with cakes as well. It's a lot, especially around the holiday times.
So we're talking longer shifts, longer days? Yes?
Yes and no. I don't think the shift will get any longer because the time will change. So instead of it being dark at 7 o'clock, it's dark at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, got you.
You have a lot of things that we still have to do too. We have personal lives and time that we have to take for ourselves. So I pray to God it never gets to a part where we have to stay here longer than. But no, it's just a regular shift.
And the shop is open 8 days out of 7. That's what I heard.
7 days.
7
out of
Si
7.
te gen yon lot jou, mette sou 7 la, tap 8, nou tap pou ver 8 jou.
That's so real. So, but you close at 6 or 4?
Between 4 and 4:30.
Yeah, before-
Sometimes 4 if it gets a little
Quiet.
tickly in between 4 and 4:30. Once 4:30 hits, the last person goes, we close shop.
And then, because this is new to me in the Bahamas, I never understood the cruise business. How does that impact the shop?
I don't know, so let's get into it.
Does it bring more people?
It does. It brings more publicity to here, one, because there's a lot of people that live here and still don't know that we are here.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we've had a lot of those encounters.
What do you mean they don't know that you like they
Like
find the
they'll
cakes?
live here and they be like, oh, you know, I born here and I never come in here and X, Y, and Z. Yeah, so we have a lot of that. So
Oh, wow.
the cruise ship, they bring publicity. One, we get to meet different people every day, and yeah.
Nice. What is the biggest country that buys the cakes from here that you know of? Do you know? Did you ever know?
No, I don't think we have.
We have a mixture of different people that buy a lot of cake.
Okay, so the top 3 countries maybe then. Or visitors, where they come from.
A lot of
Europe?
foreign.
All
Yeah,
over.
yeah.
All over.
Especially if we were to literally base it on the cruise ships, you have some cruise ships that only come with Hispanic persons, Indians, Chinese, and they
People
come.
from Europe. You have
And
Italians.
you have some boats, that come with Italians, Germans, Russians, everyone.
British people.
British people. It's a mixture of people on a cruise ship.
Got you.
So you get a whole mix of
A
different.
variety of different people, literally.
Nice.
And once they buy it and they carry it, if they have someone here that they do know and they can't travel here, they're normally the ones to tell the persons who live in the Bahamas, hey, go right to the Rum Cake Factory and get me a 6-pack. And they're looking at them like, what are you talking about? There is no Rum Cake Factory here. Do you mean the pirate one? No. It's the one with the blue box.
Yes.
Yes, that color. Why the blue box? I think I know the answer, but why the blue box? Do we know?
Pase yo kone se kek panou yo, se yo ki vini nan blue box, epi se yo ki pi bon.
Got you.
Kompon? Se
Yeah.
yo ki pi bon.
Got you.
Gen moun ki pran on trip sel pou y vin achete kek la isi ala. Yes.
Serious?
Yes.
I mean, it's
Yo pa vin
also
fè
a
anyen, sel pou yo vin achete kek la.
Yes.
it's also a symbol from like one of the colors off of the Bahamian flag.
That's what I figured.
Yeah.
That's what I figured. I wanted you to say it because I know the answer. I kind of figured that out.
Yeah, so we have aquamarine in the flag, so the boxes are aqua to represent that it actually is Bahamian made.
Is there any plan to export the cakes to Canada?
Nate. Hey, Nate.
He's shy. One of the guys, he doesn't want to come up to the camera.
Catch him off guard. Just want to share with him.
That's all they're saying. I'm
So
mechanical.
yeah, is there a plan to export it to Canada or other countries?
We have a distribution center in Orlando.
Okay.
Yeah, but Canada, not so much as yet.
Well, we're willing to negotiate. We're willing to
Cakes are over
negotiate.
there. We've had some Canadians that came over, different parts of Canada too, when you ask the questions. They carry the cakes back.
Yeah.
So the cakes are over there. They are known over there. Per se that someone is going to buy a bunch to sell it, I don't think they've ever gotten a request for
You never
it.
know, because like I said, we're doing the Rum Festival, and we're gonna introduce your cakes over there. So that's
We
for
also
sure.
have another distribution center in Charlotte as well.
In
North Carolina.
So it's working.
Yeah,
In progress.
yeah, it's growing.
In progress. Well, okay, listen, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
I know it's getting busy right away. And yes, it's happening right now. And look, this transaction's being done. So again, thank you ladies. I appreciate it. And we're gonna go to the tasting of the cakes though. That's what we're gonna go do right now. All right. So, mesdames et messieurs, encore une fois, un autre épisode de Rhum Aficionados. Incroyable aux Bahamas. Il fait beau, il fait chaud. Aujourd'hui, il y a eu de la pluie, mais pour de vrai, c'était vraiment beau. Rum Cake Factory. Pour ceux qui ne savent pas, c'est une tradition de la culture haïtienne, même caribéenne. Puis c'est la preuve aujourd'hui. Il y en a qui ont tourné ça en business. Puis depuis tout à l'heure, il y a des touristes qui rentrent, puis qui rentrent, puis qui rentrent. Donc on continue à supporter. Suivez-les sur les médias sociaux et on va partager les informations par rapport à leur business parce que, comme je dis, c'est vraiment beau. Si vous venez aux Bahamas, c'est un must, must, must. Thank you again to Rum Cake Factory.